What is up guys, Javid here, and today playing Team Deathmatch. As you know, I play Team Deathmatch on my other YouTube account and then I deleted it. But today I'm just using a shotgun if I could get any kills. It's got one, yes. There's one on that fast tag. I don't really like this shotgun though. I'm using my new controller, but I haven't got used to it. What? Why is it wait for me to come out? Look, I didn't die because of that thingy. My kill, obviously. You don't know the side, is he? Wow, I nearly killed him. I just wanted to come at me. I only got 2 kills though. Where is he? Really? Just camping inside? Like I said, make sure you watch my other 2 videos. My vlog one I couldn't make. When I do part 2, I'm gonna use another. I'm gonna use machine gun. I'm not gonna use finger shotgun. I'm only doing it for this video. And then when I do another one, when I do another video, I'll just. Oh my days! There's one stuff on the floor. Hand grenades. Ooh. You see? There's just camping in there. Wow. Oh my days. Look, they're all at the back. See? I can see on the map, I'm not lying. Oh my days! You see that? Just camping at the back. I'm gonna try to shoot up the RPG. Is there anyone there? Actually, I'm gonna pick up the TAC 45. Just gonna use a pistol instead. Oh, pistol didn't work. I'm gonna have to use RPG if I can't get more kills. We're winning though. Double. Well, there's 2 down there. More sensitively now. Well, I'll turn it down to 3. Oh, while lightning strike. Oh. I survived it. Sorry if you can't see it, but. Ooh, headshot. So if you. Oh, unlock long barrier. I'm gonna use machine gun after this. I don't know, like. Bouncing Betty on the floor, my days. Are you kidding me? Students right there. Wow. This is part 1. And look how sunny it is. That's like. My teammates. I nearly stabbed him. You just have to keep pressing thingy. R1, that's the thing. But there's 2 down there. I'm winning though. But there's 2 upstairs. Oh, I need it. I've only got to level 48. I'm almost. I'm gonna try to destroy it. How? My shots keep missing. Nah, bro.
Hunter killer drone inbound.
My I couldn't kill him. Oh my days. I feel like I'm using machine gun right now. I only got 6 kills with this shotgun. Come on. Are you kidding me? Whoa. I picked up the guy on SMC. And he stabbed me. Really? Still got 6 kills though. With this SV12, whatever you call it. How do we use this shit guns though? I'm just using just for this video. I'm pretty sure I swear there was a guy here. How long? Yo, I'm gonna have to end at 9 minutes. It's gonna have to 6 minutes. How? Come on, man. I just want to win this match and I use a machine gun. Well, just by the freaking window. Yeah, they are. I think that. No one's there. Yo, look how sunny it is, man. I need to close the curtains, man. It's so sunny. Nah, bro, I need to get the last kill. Yes, I had the last kill. Yes, I had the last kill. 12 kills, yeah. Yay. You guys, I'm gonna end the video there. This is part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos and peace.